Alright, we gotta let the rotor speed build up.
Okay.
There you go. Now this flips back and forth like that. That doesn't do anything, okay?
Okay.
So, like, rest your one hand on your leg maybe. There you go. Do it with just the one hand though, okay?
Okay.
Because it's really, really easy to move. And this is gonna be like center. Okay?
Okay.
So we're just letting the rotor build up some speed. We can turn the radios on. Listen to the weather.
Takeoff, location Victor. Van Nuys Tower information Victor, 22510, wind 170 at 11, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 31, dew point -1, altimeter 2982, ILS runway 16 right approaching use, landing and departing runway 16, advise on this contact, you have location Victor.
Alright, we'll wait for that
traffic 12 o'clock.
light to turn off.
Police helicopter 1,300 indicated. Police 16, traffic 12 o'clock and a half mile, opposite direction. 1,200 indicated.
We have that traffic in sight for 16.
And also as the traffic in sight, we're turning out to the, towards the south.
Alright, we're gonna roll that up.
Roger that. Christine's route, another traffic observed.
Roger, thanks.
37, good day.
And check this.
And just confirm clear to cross.
Governor's going on.
Police 16, continue.
Roll the throttle up. Friction's off. Alright. Van Nuys helicopter. Helicopter 4820, tell northwest corner with Victor, looking for a Bull Creek to the south.
Helicopter standby.
Alright, this is going to be center, like right there.
Okay.
Alright. And I'm just waiting for him to call us back.
Police 16, that's tag, cross approved, you gonna go to Burbank?
Negative, we're going to be on the east, just northeast of the airport with you for 16.
Police 16, roger. And helicopter northwest corner, say again?
Yeah, 4820 hotel with the Victor for a Bull Creek to the south.
Custer 4820 hotel, Van Nuys Tower, departure, clearly on risk, Bull Creek south, departure approved.
Well, okay, Bull Creek 20 hotel. Alright, so I start picking the collective up.
Okay.
Alright, a little bit of left pedal. Now, as soon as the helicopter starts moving around, alright, we need to control it. There we go. Up we go. Now, we're just going to come over this way a little bit.
Okay.
And taxi on out. And when we get here, we're going to go ahead and do our takeoff run right down this little section right here. We put the nose down and let the airspeed build up. And then we'll climb on out. And now we're going to turn to the right a little bit, so we tug it over to the right. There we go. Alright, I'm going to let go, okay?
Okay.
So keep our nose forward, like that.
Okay.
There we go. A little bit forward. Alright. A little bit forward. Got to keep it going forward. Yeah, let's let it come down a little bit like that. There you go. Alright, good. Right like that.
Okay.
And just follow the cement river, okay?
Okay.
A little bit of forward. There we go. Like that. We're looking out in the distance, okay?
Okay.
And Van Nuys for 20 hotel. We're going to go out to the Encino Reservoir, and then we'll be back inbound for Bull Creek, northwest corner.
20 hotel, roger that, report inbound.
Report inbound, 20 hotel. Good, yeah, a little bit of forward. There you go. A little bit of forward. A little bit of forward. It's almost like we're pushing the helicopter to go forward.
Right.
you see that opening right up there to your 1 o'clock? You see the grass area?
Yeah.
We're going to go up towards that. That's the Encino Reservoir, all right? A little bit of forward. Turn a little bit to the right. Good. A little bit more forward. And we're up pretty high. We're gonna, there we go, just like that. A little bit of forward. Bit more forward. That's good, right like that. Forward. When we get right over the water, we're going to turn to the right, okay? So we'll turn to the right. And level out. Forward. Now turn to the right again.
Please 16 to frequency change to Burbank.
16, roger. Facing Frugadane.
All right. Now you see that lake?
Yes.
We're going to go right towards that, okay?
Okay.
A little bit of forward. There you go. Good. We're going to turn to the right just a little bit because we can't go over these houses right over here in this neighborhood. There you go.
Delta Cover 20, Delta traffic's heading to your right outbound, turning a right crosswind now to the west as it's low wing.
All right, we're looking for him, 20 Hotel. And we're coming up on the Bull Creek for 20 Hotel.
Here's the roger, that traffic directly overhead at 1600 indicated. Landing in the northwest corner will be at your own risk.
All right, we have that traffic in sight. Landings at our own risk, 20 Hotel. All right, we'll go right back up the Cement River.
So
November Charlie Van Nuys Tower.
And we'll get right over the river here.
Roger, clear for takeoff in the northwest situation land. Departure Nova Dakota Beach on risk, Adequate West departure approved.
4 November Charlie.
Up to 20 Hotel, just hug towards the tower. Is going to be traffic departing the ramp for the Adequate.
All right, we'll hug towards the tower. Can we use Alpha for a straight in on Alpha for 20 Hotel?
20 Hotel approved.
We'll do just that, 20 Hotel, thanks.
That's 4 November Charlie, traffic descending over Alpha is going to be a helicopter for the northwest corner.
4 November Charlie, looking.
All right, so now we're going towards the control tower.
Okay.
All right, and I'm going to lower a little power.
Okay.
All right, and a little right pedal.
Van Nuys helicopters, please 16 just southwest of the city hall. I'd like to see you.
All right, now we're going to start descending.
Down towards the west side.
Please 16 approved as requested. Altimeter 282.
Take 2 towards 16.
Charlie, traffic inside.
20 Hotel, traffic in sight.
Please 16, we're going to turn southbound and back just down to the bank.
Please 16, Roger, approved.
And correction for 16, I think we are going to stay with you in that southeast quadrant.
We're slowing down,
Okay.
and now we'll level off. And then we're going to stop right here because we got this airplane right here. Then we'll swing it into our parking spot. Voila! Get fun?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hovering part.
Oh, the hovering part's very difficult. So we gotta let it cool down just a little bit. You can open your door a little bit there. There you go. All right, then we roll the throttle off. Go ahead and flip that switch down. There you go. And then we leave it for 30 seconds or so. And then we're going to press this chrome button down and pull the whole thing up. All right, we'll do it in a few seconds, about 15 seconds. right, let's grab hold of it and pull it up. Boom. Now, yeah, you can let go of it. Then you have a rotor brake up here. Grab hold of that and pull it with about 15 pounds of pressure. That helps slow the rotor down. The wind's blowing on it, isn't it? There you go.
My friends,